Well, hey everybody, I want to show you this side of it over here so you can see where I'm at. The fire department's right back there. You can see the water is actually crossing the road from where it's backed up. I took some photos, but interesting. Now you can see it. You can see it. The current is whirling right through them trees right there and coming around. And you can see how high it is here. They got this side shut down now. It is over the road quite a few feet. So it's underneath the caboose. And look right here, there's the church. And you can see the bridge, the walkway. Ooh, it's rolling through there. Look at that. Would not want to slip off into that. Private property. Now that's where it's going underneath there. Look at that. You can hear the roar of it. It's right at the bottom of the rail where they got the railroad ties holding up the caboose. And traffic is kind of backed up a little bit. They're trying to make their mind up how they're going to get to their house. Alright, I'll finish filming when I get on around there. Well, I'll get this here real quick. This is where it's coming through here. Boy, it's getting it. Look at that. And there's the garbage can I filmed earlier. Picked it up and moved it out of the way. There it goes underneath there. Look at that. Completely over the road, and it's getting close to getting in that building there.